Do you know many people are having trouble with setting a specific drying time on their Hotpoint dryer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power on. Press the on-off button to power up your Hotpoint dryer. Step 2. Load laundry. Open the dryer, load your laundry, and close the door securely. Step 3. Select program. Select the appropriate drying program using the program selection knob. Step 4. Set duration. Press the time drying button and set the drying time to 30 minutes. Step 5. Start cycle. Hit the start/pause button to initiate the drying cycle. By following these steps, you should be able to easily set your dryer for a specific duration. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Hotpoint users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.